This is part 3 in our series, Travel Vocabulary, Adjectives. Number 1, long versus short. A lot of distance versus very little distance. Example, is this a long flight? No, it will only take 1 hour to get there. Number 2, slow versus fast. Takes a lot of time versus takes very little time. Example, I know planes are faster, but I prefer train travel. Yeah, on a slow train, you get to see a lot of scenery. Number 3, smooth, a stable movement. Example, that was a really smooth bus trip. I agree. I hardly felt the bus move the whole time. Number 4, bumpy, not stable movement. Example, oh my, why is this such a bumpy car ride? I think it is because the road is under repair in this area. Number 5, cramped, no place to move. Example, I don't think I will be able to sleep in this cramped seat. I know, right? Airplane seats are so small. Number 6, spacious, a lot of space to move. Example, oh wow, first class has such spacious seats. Yes, there's even enough room to lie down. Number 7, comfortable, very relaxed position. Example, this hotel room has such comfortable beds. I think I could sleep all day in this bed. Number 8, big versus small, large versus tiny. Example, excuse me, our room is too small for 3 people. You can upgrade to a bigger room that fits 4 people. Number 9, tight versus loose, secure versus weak. Example, excuse me, I have a loose seatbelt. That can be dangerous. I can help you make it tighter. Number 10, soft versus hard, gentle to touch versus solid. Example, pardon me, this is a very hard seat. I can bring you a pillow to sit on if you like. Number 11, hot versus cold, high temperature versus low temperature. Example, what drink would you like to order? I will have a hot coffee, please. Number 12, chilly or freezing, very cold. Example, this bus is pretty chilly, don't you think? Yes, I think they turned the AC down to 18 degrees. Number 13, warm and cozy, pleasantly hot. Example, I'm so glad the airline provides blankets. Yes, planes can be cold, so a warm blanket is good. Number 14, narrow versus wide, small space versus big space. Example, the aisle is too narrow for 2 people to walk down. I know, they need to make it bigger. Number 15, sore, ache, in pain, not comfortable. Example, I have sore legs after riding in the car for so long. Me too. Let's get out and stretch for a little bit. Number 16, filthy, dirty, not clean. Example, that truck stop had such a filthy restroom. So dirty. They need to clean it more often. Number 17. Broken. Not working. Example, excuse me, my in-flight entertainment system is broken. Oh no! I will reboot the program and see if that fixes it. Number 18. Lost. Missing. Look! I found a passport on the ground. A lost passport? Someone must be looking for it. Number 19. Damaged. Hurt. Broken. Example, oh my goodness, I have damaged luggage. You need to complain to the airline that they broke your bag. Number 20. Bright versus dark. A lot of light versus no light. Example, this is a very bright cabin. I can't sleep. Close the window to reduce the light coming in. Number 21. Rude versus polite. Not nice versus nice. Example, that was a very rude passenger. People need to be more polite to the flight staff. Number 22. Professional. Very good work attitude. Example, I was so impressed with that front desk clerk. Yes, this hotel has very professional staff. Number 23. Nervous. Not confident, shy, stressed. Example, there's a nervous passenger in row 2. Yes, he told me that he's afraid of flying. Number 24. Eager. Excited. Example, you seem like a very eager traveler. Oh yeah, it's my first time abroad, so I'm very excited. Number 25. Adventurous. Exciting and challenging. Example, are you ready for our adventurous trip together? You bet. I can't wait to learn how to scuba dive. The end.